You have that old saying, it takes a village to raise a child. It's not just mother and father, but it's schools, doctors, neighbours, everyone. The neighbours did nothing, the school didn't do anything, the doctors didn't do anything. They did not do their role as a villager to help raise this child, and because they did not do their role, this young person took so much longer to integrate into society and get to where her peers and her classmates got to 5-10 years ago.
Then they put me in an adult hostel. Now this adult hostel was very untidy. There was a load of drug users there. I couldn't even use the toilet because I would go in and there would be all needles on the floor. So every time I would need a toilet, I would have to go into 10. So if it was like 10 at night, I would always have to run into 10 because I lived behind the back of the train station and use a toilet bag in Super Bowl. I would go to the leisure centre and use the showers there every weekend. There was no washing machine in the hostel, so all my clothes were always dirty. I would have to just wear them, fold them up, wear something new, but always put them on repeatedly the next week because I couldn't wash my clothes.
When I first moved into one of their projects, I finally felt free to be actually me and express how I'm feeling on a daily basis of pretending.
I think giving another person a chance, so I just want to give someone else the chance to have the chance that I had, a second chance. And I think everyone in this room and everyone out in the public and everyone who's in foster care and in hostels and on the streets, everyone deserves a second chance. They all deserve a second chance.